know you with their friends, girl, you got it.
It's been a while since I vlog, so let's do a little vlog. But like, I'm not going anywhere. It's gonna be like more in home vlog. I just woke up and it's late. I don't want to hear it. Um, but I'm gonna like tidy up my room because I did laundry and I still have some laundry to put away, and we'll go from there. I am just like folding stuff and putting things away. Yeah. I got a package. I don't know what's in it though. Am I the only one that hate to fold like these sheets? Anyways, I'm cleaning my vanity. I'm putting like these things that I got from Kiss, and the vanity looks so good. Get her off my bed, please, please. She's like everywhere. Like she can't sit still. Oh, and this is my bag of candy from Halloween. Don't mind it. She can't sit still. She's everywhere. She's putting all her cat hair on my bed. Milu. Milu. And look at her cutting her eyes at me. Rude. Finna kick her the fuck out of my room. Say hi, Milu. Say hi, vlog. A clean room will always be the vibe. Always be the vibe. I mop, so it's like still wet a little bit here. But I light a candle. After that, I'm making myself some breakfast, eggs, hash browns, and sausage with a toast. It's so good. Okay, y'all. So it's like 2 days later. Yesterday, I brought my car to the mechanic because my brake is done. So I'm gonna go get it now. I'm with my mom because I don't like people and she does. So she coming with me. I love fall. Fall is so pretty. It's not far, but I miss my car. Okay, we made it. It was like a 5-minute walk, not far at all. But yeah, they have my cars over here. Yeah, I went over there and they told me the car was ready and it wasn't. So I came and I had to wait for the car a whole hour and a half. And like, ugh. Anyways, they were still like working on it. This is my car. They're like taking the thing so they can put the brake thingy back in there. And my car is so smooth now. I was so over it. Picked up my car and I went to Dollar Tree. Look at all the Christmas stuff. I'm so excited for Christmas. Ugh, I'm obsessed. Okay, we at Dollar Tree now. Buying some stuff. Kind of want some new socks, cause I need some new ones. Um, yeah, socks. They have the comfy ones, but I don't know why they give it one. Like it's not fair at all. We got my shit because when I'm with my mom, she just be making me spend money, like for real. And this is me. I got bored waiting for the woman to just scan our stuff, so I started acting a fool. Okay, y'all. So I made oxtail. I was gonna get mashed potato, but it came out lumpy, so I did not put it. So rice, oxtail, looks bomb. And this is the drink I'm drinking. It's so good. Try it if you haven't. Not sponsored. Put it in this cup. So, okay, y'all. So I ate. I'm just now watching TV. I gotta go on campus today. So I'm gonna watch some TV and then I'm going to go on campus. I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's a Christmas movie. This is the only time you catch me watching a romantic movie because I hate romantic movies. a haul for y'all. The Dollar Tree haul. So I got tissues because I've been sick a lot this past few months. I don't know why. I got this for my car. It smells so good. I got 2 pair of socks. I like to keep my feet warm because my feet get cold very easily. I love these sprays. Smells so good. Irish Spring. That's for my mom. I got this to put like clothes in. My mom got cookies and I got a pink one. And I got this to put all my shower essentials in. And that was it. I'm gonna put this moisturizing lotion because my face looks dry.
Thank you for saying yes, Dr. Ryan. I don't know how much help I can give you. Why?
Okay, I don't know why the audio is not working in this, but y'all, I was just basically telling y'all that I'm in the car to go to class, and it was so dark outside. It was only 5, and then I went to Dunkin'. I got a Boston cream, and then I got a medium iced coffee, 2 pump caramel, 1 pump vanilla bean, sweet cold foam. What else? Extra ice. And I got a medium. This was basically my order, but the audio was not working. I don't freaking know why either. But like, yo, try out this iced coffee. It's so good. Ooh.
It's so good. Not many people do it right. Trust me.
I made it on campus, and I was just telling y'all that I fucking hate school, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah, anyways, I forgot to end the vlog, so